Welcome to this video where we will discuss the difference between programming language and scripting language. Both programming and scripting languages are widely used in the world of software development, but they are not the same thing. In this video, we will explain the differences between them. Subscribe this channel for more information video. A programming language is a formal language that is designed to communicate instructions to a computer. It is used to create standalone software applications, operating systems, and even games. Some popular programming languages include Java, Python, and Ruby. On the other hand, a scripting language is a language that is used to write scripts or small programs that are interpreted rather than compiled. These scripts are often used to automate repetitive tasks or to add functionality to an existing program. Some popular scripting languages include JavaScript, Python, and Ruby. One of the main differences between programming and scripting languages is the way they are executed. Programs written in a programming language are compiled into machine code, which can then be executed directly by the computer's processor. This means that programs written in a programming language can be faster and more efficient than scripts. In contrast, scripts written in a scripting language are not compiled. Instead, they are interpreted by an interpreter, which translates the code into machine code on the fly. This process can make scripts slower and less efficient than compiled programs, but it also makes them more flexible and easier to write. Another difference between programming and scripting languages is the level of abstraction they provide. Programming languages are often lower level than scripting languages, which means they are closer to the machine code that the computer understands. This can make them more difficult to learn and use, but it also gives programmers more control over the computer's hardware. Scripting languages, on the other hand, are often higher level than programming languages. This means they provide a greater degree of abstraction, making them easier to learn and use. However, this also means that they may not offer the same level of control over the computer's hardware. As programming languages, both are the best and most used language. We have to commend all the necessary things. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more information video like this.